Hello everyone. I've been getting numerous emails about how to complete the lab 8, the part where the lab 8, where the part where you meant to do the fix the uh, to process the data using Opus. So first thing first, there are two ways to do this. Either you go through Opus or you go through this other website. This is Opus website. So on Opus website, you can enter. You can see here there is choose file, other informations here for you to process the data. I think it is pretty easy. So the first thing you do is to check the emails which I sent to you guys. I think last week when you did your observation. So when you check that email, you would get a file like maybe a zip file or something. So for instance, for group 1, this is the kind of file I sent, but it was zipped. So in this file, we have observation file, RINEX file. So on Opus website, you are meant to use RINEX file. So, and this is RINEX. So this is the kind of information you need to load up on Opus. So you did two observations, right? That day you set up your equipment on one of the controls, then you move it to another control. So the first observation for group 1 for this case is this. The second observation is this. You can see H, you can see I here. So the format which Opus accepted is this file format 21.0 file. That is the kind of file Opus will accept. And mind you, you have to do this processing separately. So for this first one, H, let's do this one example here. So when you go to Opus, you click on choose file. Then you navigate to the folder where you have the file. So if you are going with H, click open. So it loads up. So you have H here. So in the antenna, you choose Trimble, you type TRM, Trimble, none, Trimble R10, none. Yeah, so you pick this. So the antenna height, remember guys, you have this written in your feedbook when you were doing the observation, but for some reasons you might have misplaced it. So how do you do this? If you can't find your antenna height, that means you have to use this other website before we go through the Opus website. So this website is gnss-processor.trimbleaccess.com/gnss processor. So for you to use this website, you can't use the RINEX file here. That's why I sent two folders in the file I sent to you guys. So going to the folder here, there is observation file. On this website, you make use of the observation file. So the observation file is this, right? So you copy the observation file, you pick one for each, for instance, you drag it and drop it here. So you see it loads up. So after loading, you will get some information about the file. You said, you see, successfully uploaded. So you click on next. So review antenna settings. This was the settings that was on your antenna the day you carried out your observation. Can you see this is the file name. Trimble is the software. Obviously, we are using their website. Observer, GNSS observer. The observation date and time. Remember, we started the observation about this time that day. So Trimble R10 is the receiver name. This is the serial number. The point name is point B. The manufacturer is Trimble. The antenna type is R10 internal. So this is the instrument height. This is the antenna height that we measure. So you can copy this and take it to Opus website, then paste it here. Take note, it said meters above your mark. So this is the meter antenna height here. So the next thing you do is just to key in your email address here to get the data sent to you. So after you key in your email address correctly, you click on upload to Rapid Static. Here you click upload to Rapid Static, then it uploads the data, the RAINEX file. It uploads this here. You can see the information here and everything, and the antenna height and everything. So it sends it. So once it is processed, I can just go to my email here. The results will be sent to my email after few minutes of processing from the Opus website. So another method is to go through this second phase, this website. So even going through this website, at the end of the day, we'll still use Opus, but it is more user friendly and more straightforward compared to Opus. But compared to going directly to Opus website, so you click on next here. Here you'll be asked to choose which kind of processing agency are we using. We'll be using Opus here, National Geodetic Survey. You click on next. Your email address, I can key in my email address here. Click next, so it submits the file. Click on done. So this way, I'll get my results from Opus in my other email. I'll get my results from this in my other email. Obviously, it is the same thing. Do you understand, guys? Either you go through Opus, but mind you must know your antenna height. If you don't have your antenna height, you can go to this website, load in your observation file, not RAINEX file, observation file, this .co2 for this Trimble website, and for Opus website you use RAINEX file .21o. I hope this is clear, guys. So wishing you the very best of luck in your assignment, and let's try to meet tomorrow for the next lab section.